Okay, I'm gonna introduce to you the product that I use to get the eyeliner and the mascara off of my eyes. It's Well Off by Origins, and it's fast and gentle eye makeup remover. I just take a little cotton ball, open it up, dab some on, and literally, just with one wipe, you can tell the difference already. There's some that's kind of in the middle there, but literally, hello, look at the difference just in the top and the bottom. Okay, I always will go underneath. Hi, difference. And sometimes what I do is I will pull this down because I know that there's probably some mascara still on my lashes to see if I can pull it down to the bottom underneath. And then literally just take that excess that if any does come down. Can you tell the difference? And it was like 2 seconds. So let's do the other eye. Literally just boom, boom. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that's Well Off. I've used it for years. You can find it on Amazon. It's super easy to find and buy, and it feels like water, just wiping with water. But clearly there's something in this. It's got some secret that I am so excited that I found it. And if you like it, go and get it. This is not an ad. It says that you can rinse after you use it. I don't necessarily normally do that, but it does say that if you would like to, you can. Check it out. Let me know what you think about it in the comments, and don't forget to follow.